Culture, derived from the Latin word cult, means cultivation or worship. Culture is way of life. Food we eat, clothes we wear, language we speak, God we worship are all aspects of culture. Culture is the embodiment of the ways in which we think and do things. Culture consists of explicit and implicit pattern of behavior acquired by human beings. These may be transmitted through symbols, its achievements through their embodiments as artifacts. Development of culture is a historical process. We learn many things from our ancestors, and as time goes we add new thoughts, new ideas, and also at times give up some considered redundant. Basic characteristics of culture. Culture is learned and acquired. Culture is shared by group of people. Culture is cumulative. Culture is dynamic. Culture is ideational, ideal pattern of behavior expected to be followed to be accepted by people of same culture.
Click on the pictures below to get connected to us on YouTube, Facebook, Instagram, WhatsApp. Subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon to get updates of every video.
Civilization. The term culture and civilization are often used synonymously. However, they have clearly defined meanings differentiating them. Civilization means having better ways of living and sometimes making mature men to fulfill their needs. A civilization is any complex society characterized by urban development, social stratification imposed by a cultural elite, symbolic systems of communication, for example, writing systems, and a perceived separation from and domination over the natural environment. Basic characteristics of civilization: centralization, domestication of both humans and other organisms, specialization of labor, culturally ingrained ideologies of progress and supremacism, monumental architecture, taxation, societal dependence upon farming and expansionism, symbolic systems of communication, script, etc. Heritage is often used to discuss a cultural aspect or tradition that has been passed through generations. Heritage exists at various levels. Humanity as a whole has inherited a culture which may be called human heritage. A nation also inherits a culture which may be termed as national heritage. Culture changes but heritage does not. We may acquire cultural traits from other communities, but our cultural heritage remains the same and it binds us together. Heritage can be both tangible and intangible aspects of culture.
Join Masters IAS and learn from top mentors who are having 10+ years of experience in mentoring civil services aspirants. Scan these QR codes to get in touch with us.